everyone. Today we are going to sing a song about water in Tamil. கல்லும் மலையும் குதித்து வந்தேன், பெருங்காடும் செடியும் கடந்து வந்தேன், எல்லை விரிந்த சமவெளி எங்கும் நான் இறங்கி தவழ்ந்து தவழ்ந்து வந்தேன், ஏறாத மேடுகள் ஏறி வந்தேன், பல ஏரி குளங்கள் நிரம்பி வந்தேன், ஊராத ஊற்றிலும் உட்புகுந்தேன், மணல் ஓடைகள் பொங்கிட ஓடி வந்தேன், அடைத்தானே நானே தன்னானே. நன்றி.
தண்ணீரை பற்றி ஒரு கவிதை. தண்ணீர் விண்ணென தொடும் கடல் என பூமியை குளிர்விக்க மழையானேன், அருவியாக ஆறாக நதியாக காட்டாறாக ஓடையாக வற்றாத ஊற்றாகி வாழும் உயிருக்கு தாகம் தீர்க்கும் தாயானேன்.
நன்றி. சிந்து மலை தூளி அனைத்தும் முத்து, அத்தனையும் சேமித்துவை அவை நாளையே உன் சொத்து, பாலைவனம் ஆனாலும் மழை நீரை சேமித்தால் அது சோலைவனம். நன்றி.
There is clearly a mystery to me, a solid, a liquid, a gas. It's all of these. Boil it, warm it, freeze it. Water for flowers, water for birds, water for trees, and water for rivers. Water for sea, and water for the world, and water for me.
Namaste. Today we are going to explain about this water cycle. Gel chakra, evaporation, Vamshapikaran, condensation, Sanganam, precipitation, version. Now Amita and Purika is going to explain about these topics.
दोस्तों, क्या आपने सोचा है कि बारिश कैसे आता है?
Friends, do you know how the rain comes?
इसके लिए आज हम बताने वाले हैं जल चक्र के बारे में.
We are going to speak about water cycle.
That causes a high fever, stomach pain and other symptoms like weakness, headache, cough and loss of appetite, constipation and vomiting. Cause typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi.
Hepatitis A is a liver inflammation.
E. coli is a type of disease.
E. coli is a diarrhea ileosis caused. Giardiasis is caused by parasite. Cured by mathematics. It is an antibiotic of
Tsunami, flood and the distribution of water. Now we are going to explain about distribution of water.
We all know that 3/4 of the earth is surrounded by water. Every water is the water available to us. Now my friend Prashni is going to explain the distribution of water in percentage. Distribution of water bodies. Ocean 97.3.
So oceans are 97.3.
Hi guys.
So friends, do you know what a tsunami is? It's a big wave, right? Yes, exactly. It's a very big wave which is very dangerous and destructive.
But I see how we can protect ourselves from tsunamis.
Well, it's to be prepared before the tsunami by packing the supplies like food, water, flashlight and etc.
Oh look.
Good. In the news they have said to be head to higher grounds when you see a tsunami warning, or if you feel a strong earthquake coming to yourself.
But I see how we can avoid tsunamis.
Unfortunately, there is not much we can avoid. It's most to be safe and sound. Shrishtika can explain about the floods to us.
Yes, Saishri.
Shrishtika can explain what is a flood?
Floods are events where the dry land gets submerged into water.
That's so scary.
Namaste to all present here. Myself Kavanya and we are students of grade 7. We are here to explain our integration topic. Our topic is water and our subject is maths.
We have collected the availability of groundwater in the place named Denganikota, Tali, Ginnur, Raikota, Hosur and Atru.
This bar graph consists of bars of uniform width.